The next type of operators are relational operators. Keep saving your work. First is the greater than. Let's create two vectors. Okay. Let's use another vector. So we'll check the condition whether G whether B is greater than D. So none of the values are greater than D. So hence we are getting false everywhere. Let's try with some another vector. We'll use the less than operator now. Let's use S. 14, comma 9. Now we'll just check the condition whether G is less than S or not. So we'll do G less than S. Okay, so G was not created. Yes, so it will check the conditions again element by element. So whether 2 is less than 8, it's true. Is 5.6 less than 2.4, then it's false. If it will again check whether 6 is less than 14, if yes, it's true. If 9 is less than 9, no, so it's false. Now we will use the equals operator. We'll use the same data. So let's try to check whether G is equal to S or not. So while using equals operator, make sure you use equal to sign twice. If you use equal to sign once, then it will update your values instead of checking for equals or not. So make a note of it. So let's do G equals to S. So in the last case only G is equal to S, hence we are getting the true over here. The next operator is less than or equal. Again we will use the same data. So I'll just do this. You have to check that whether G is less than or equal to S or not. So G less than equal to S. So 2 is less than equal to 8, then if it's yes, then it's true. Then 5.6 is less than equal to 2.4, no, then it's false. In the next case it's true, and again it's true. Let us try for another equation, like another case greater than or equal to. Again with the same data. So I'll just change the orientation now, so it will be greater than equal to S. Let's see this. So is 2 greater than equal to 8? No, then it's false. Then it's 5.6 greater than equal to 2.4? Yes, then it's true. And this is how it goes. If I want to check whether if it's equal to, if it's not equal to, so let's just give it a try. So we'll see, we will use the same data again. So let's do G not equal to S. Let's try to print this. So 2 is not equal to 8, hence it's true. Same case for 5.6 and 2.4, 6, 14. But when it's 9 and 9 both in G and S, hence we are getting the false in the end.